Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the toughest and most aggressive full-size SUVs expected to hit the road, the mighty 2027 Chevrolet Tahoe Z71. And trust me, this beast is not just another family SUV, it's a machine built to dominate highways, dirt trails, rocky paths, and everything in between. If you love powerful SUVs with bold styling and serious capability, you're going to love what Chevrolet is bringing this time. Before we get started, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest car reviews and future SUV reveals. The 27 Tahoe Z71 arrives with a more muscular attitude than ever before. Right from the first look, you can tell Chevrolet wanted this SUV to feel brutal, rugged, and premium all at once. The front fascia looks sharper with a wider grille, aggressive LED lighting, and a redesigned bumper that screams off-road confidence. The blacked-out Z71 accents give it that stealthy appearance, while the massive all-terrain tires and lifted stance make it look ready for adventure straight from the factory. From the side profile, the Tahoe still keeps its commanding road presence, but now it feels even more athletic. The larger wheels, chunky fender flares, and stronger body lines create a more modern and powerful design. Chevrolet is expected to offer new exterior colors and upgraded wheel options that make this SUV stand out whether it's parked downtown or climbing through mountain trails. Step inside, and the cabin completely changes the game. Chevrolet is pushing luxury and technology much further in the 2027 model. The dashboard is expected to feature a massive curved infotainment display paired with a fully digital instrument cluster. Everything looks cleaner, more futuristic, and easier to use. Premium leather seating, contrast stitching, ambient lighting, and soft touch materials make the interior feel closer to a luxury SUV than a traditional off-roader. The space inside remains one of the Tahoe's biggest strengths. Families will love the roomy third row seating and huge cargo area, while road trip lovers will appreciate the comfort during long drives. Chevrolet is also expected to improve noise insulation, making the cabin quieter even when driving at high speeds or rough terrain. Now let's talk about power, because this is where the Tahoe Z71 really earns its reputation. Under the hood, rumors suggest Chevrolet could continue offering the powerful V8 engine lineup, possibly with improved hybrid assistance for better efficiency and stronger torque. That means faster acceleration, smoother towing capability, and more confidence off-road. The Z71 trim is specifically designed for adventure. Expect upgraded suspension tuning, skid plates, hill descent control, selectable drive modes, and advanced four-wheel drive systems. Whether you're dealing with mud, snow, sand, or rocky trails, this SUV is engineered to handle it without hesitation. Towing capacity is also expected to remain impressive. The Tahoe has always been one of the best SUVs for pulling boats, trailers, and campers, and the 2027 version will likely continue that tradition with even smarter towing technology and driver assistance systems. Speaking of technology, Chevrolet is expected to load the Tahoe with advanced safety features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and hands-free driving technology could all be part of the package. This means the Tahoe won't just feel powerful, it'll also feel smarter and safer than ever before. As for pricing, the 2027 Chevrolet Tahoe Z71 is expected to start somewhere around the mid to high $70,000 range depending on options and packages. Fully loaded versions could push even higher, especially with luxury upgrades and performance features. At the end of the day, the 2027 Tahoe Z71 looks like the perfect combination of brute strength, modern luxury, and serious off-road capability. It's bold, aggressive, spacious, and powerful enough to handle almost anything you throw at it. Chevrolet clearly wants this SUV to dominate the full-size segment, and honestly, it looks ready to do exactly that. So, what do you think about the new Tahoe Z71? Would you choose this over rivals like the Ford Expedition or Toyota Sequoia? Let me know down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video!